there, I'm Kim at AgriLabs. I'm the Livestock Technical Support Specialist, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to assemble your VetGun. So this will be the VetGun kit that you purchase at the store, and we'll open it up and show you all the parts and pieces that are inside and how to assemble the gun. So when you first open it up, the parts, the papers that you'll see, you'll get a VetGun warranty card. So we appreciate if you send that in. That helps us keep track of your gun. If you ever have any issues with that, then we can kind of know who you are and get you taken care of with that. We also have an owner's manual in here. This is going to have some troubleshooting as well as how to assemble it like we're doing here in the video. Any questions, frequently asked questions that you might have might be covered in here. And then we also have a important read before you use type thing. This kind of just gives some importance on some CO2 and proper storage and handling of the vet caps. So when you first open your gun, you'll see all the parts here. We have the VetGun itself, we have the feeder tube and the barrel, and then we have both adapters depending on which size CO2 you will choose to use. We have the 25 gram and the 90 gram adapters, so you'll need those depending on which size CO2 you use. The 25 gram will come in a 6-pack box that looks like this, and then this is the 90 gram. We also have in here a cleaning squeegee that will look like this. Give or take, we have a couple of different styles of these, but this comes apart and you'll actually clean the barrel with that. This one's a little more difficult. So that comes apart, and that's what you'll use to clean the barrel of the gun in case you get dirt or debris in that. So I'll go over that here in a little bit. So the first thing for the VetGun assembly is we're going to put the feeder tube and the barrel on. So like I said, here's the feeder tube. All that is required is it just puts through this back piece here. You put it on there and twist it to lock. It has some locking pins in there. And then the barrel you will put on. Front here it has threads, and it's pretty long threaded, so it take a while to get there. And it might be kind of squeaky, but that's okay. So it'll go on just like this, and you just go till it's hand tight. Very long threaded. All right, there we go. There's it tight. So there is the VetGun fully assembled, but no CO2 on it. So now the next thing we'll need to do is add CO2. Like I said, depending on which one you'll use, you have both adapters for that. If you also choose to go with our refillable tank, this does not require an adapter, so it will screw right onto the port of the gun.